Nüwa in Chinese mythology. Nüwa is a beloved goddess who is credited with creating mankind and restoring order to the world after a great disaster. In this video, we will explore the legend of Nüwa and how her story has influenced Chinese culture and beliefs. The birth of Nüwa. According to legend, Nüwa is believed to have been born in the beginning of time. She was the daughter of the god of heaven and the goddess of the earth. She was born with a serpent's body and a human head and was said to possess extraordinary intelligence and beauty. Her birth was seen as a sign of great fortune and prosperity, and she was celebrated by all the gods and goddesses. The creation of mankind. As the story goes, Nüwa grew lonely and decided to create mankind to keep her company. She molded humans out of clay and imbued them with life. She taught them how to build homes, farm, and create tools. Her kindness and compassion towards humans earned her their devotion and worship. The Great Disaster. However, the world was not at peace. A great disaster struck, causing floods and earthquakes that destroyed everything in their path. The gods and goddesses were powerless to stop it, and the world was plunged into chaos. Nüwa, seeing the suffering of her beloved humans, took matters into her own hands. The restoration of order. Nüwa set out to repair the sky and the earth using 5 colored stones to prop up the heavens and repair the cracks in the earth. She also caught a giant turtle and cut off its legs, using them to prop up the 4 corners of the earth. Her efforts restored order to the world, and she became revered as a goddess of creation, wisdom, and protection. Legacy and influence. Nüwa's story has had a significant impact on Chinese culture and beliefs. She is seen as a symbol of feminine power, wisdom, and compassion. Her creation of mankind is also seen as an act of great generosity and kindness. Her legend has been passed down through generations and has inspired countless works of art, literature, and music. Her story of creation, restoration, and compassion has influenced Chinese culture and beliefs in profound ways. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mythology content. What other gods and goddesses would you like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below.